Therefore, through the said intelligible forms, a separate substance not only knows other separate substances, but also the species of corporeal things. For since the understanding of them is perfect in natural perfection, as being wholly existing in act, it must universally comprehend its object, that is to say, an intelligible being. Under intelligible beings are also included the species of corporeal things. A separate substance therefore knows them still. Since the species of things are distinguished as the species of numbers, as was said above, it is necessary that the higher species contain in some way what is in the lower, just as the greater number contains the lesser. Since then, separate substances are above corporeal substances, it is necessary that those things which are in corporeal substances in a material manner must be in separate substances in an intelligible manner. For what is in something is in it in the manner of that in which it is. Again, if separate substances move the heavenly bodies, as the philosophers maintain, whatever proceeds from the motion of the heavenly bodies is attributed to the bodies themselves as instruments, moved by that which they move, and with separate moving substances as the principal agents, but they act and move by understanding. They are therefore the causers of what is done by the motion of the heavenly bodies, just as the artist works with his tools. Therefore the forms of things that are generated and destroyed are intelligibly separate substances. Hence also Boethius, in his book on the Trinity, says that from the forms which are without matter came the forms which are in matter. Therefore separate substances know not only separate substances, but also species of material things. For if they know the species of generable and corruptible bodies as their own effects, much more the species of celestial bodies as their own instruments. But because the intellect is actually a separate substance, having all the similitudes to which it is in power, but it has the power of comprehending all the species and differences of being, it is necessary that any separate substance should know all natural things and the whole order of them. Now, when the intellect in perfect act is the intellect in act, it may seem to some that a separate substance does not understand a material thing, for it seems incongruous that a material thing should be the perfection of a separate substance. But if it is rightly considered, the thing understood is the perfection of the intelligent according to its similitude which it has in the understanding. For the stone which is outside the soul is not the perfection of our possible understanding. Now the similitude of a material thing in the understanding of a separate substance is immaterial, according to the manner of the separated substance, not according to the manner of the material substance. Hence it is not inappropriate, if this similitude is said to be the perfection of the understanding of a separate substance, just as its proper form